Hello guys. Okay, let me take all the books. I want to show you something. What I want you to focus here. Let me take the family of numbers. Okay, I'm back guys. I didn't prepare for this. Okay, now what we do, let's start here. This is a French lotto. This is the French lotto where we're going to start a new strategy. We are going to make a new strategy for this lottery. So what we do, as you see here, we have 6 numbers. They drop 7 numbers, but how many numbers here? Yes, they drop 7 numbers, but I think this called 549. I don't know why they call it. Okay, they place 6 numbers because these numbers, they are 5, these and 1, so it's 6 numbers. He came up with 6 numbers. Okay, what is this? Okay, how do we do this? We say this number, and guys, it's a new strategy. Don't compare this with other strategies because we are going to deal with other. So if you say 20, okay, I'm not going to write. I will only write the numbers there. This disturb me guys. Okay, it's 24. When you add 4 and 8 and 12, it's 24. So if you, as you see there, is that number. We use that number, but we divide by that number. We divide, and there is also and we also multiply by that number. What do we do? How we do this? Okay, let me say we had 24, but each and every number we get, we write it down. First we say, as you know that we start with a multiplication, we say 24 times, seeing this 12, it's 48. It is 48. So this we will not combine them together. Then we are here now. We say, as you see that we write the numbers. As I said, that we write the number we get down. Each and every number we get, we write down. So this should be making a noise. Okay, but I'm not going to focus on that. And we say 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So let us write that 12 down. Here is 12. Okay, as you see there, let me clear all this. These are the numbers we have now, 48, and but it is 540. What is it? 549, I think is that. And if you look here, what we do, we know that this number is 3, but if you look at if you look there is also this number. But we are not finished guys, because we also have, okay, let me write all these numbers because we want to write them. 12 plus 25 plus 45, it is 82. Let me write that 82 down. 82 times 2, it's 160. 164, it is 164. Let me write that code down. 164. And we say 82 sorry, 82 minus no, divide by that 2, it's 41. It is 41. So guys, these are the code I have. Let me write all these numbers down. We have 48, 12, 164, 41, 41. Okay, if you look at there, let's first start with that code. Here you see there is 4 in the code, and we know that 4 is 22, and there is 8 in the code, so you see 8 there. And there is also, when you say that code 4 plus 8, it's 12. Okay, 4 plus 8 is 12. Okay, let us focus here. 4 plus 8, it is 12. So, and here you see 12. Now our 12 is the banker, you see, is being supported. It will be there, no need to focus on it. And there is also 16. We know that 16 here, it's 7. There is 7 there. We know that, okay, there is also 14 in that code. We know that 14 is 5. And now we see 41. So our 5 is being supported to be there. Our bonus 5 is being supported to be there. What we need to do, you see, now we came up with 5 numbers using the code. Okay, let us go through this now. Let's be there. Let's say 7 plus 8 plus 12, it is 27. As I said, we write all the numbers down we get, but we is 20. Let me write this 27 there, divided by 2, divided by 5. Now we divide by 5. Okay, 27 divided by 5 divided by 5, it's 5. It is 5.4, so it's only 5. Okay, what we do, we say again 27 times 5, the code. Okay, let me write all the numbers we got. 5 and 135. Okay, and we say 12 plus 22 plus 33 is 67. 67 divided by 5, it's 13. I'm writing all the numbers I get. 13.4, so it's 13 only. And we say 67 times 5, it's 335. If you look here now, the number, okay, let me write all these numbers here. We had 5, 135, 13, 333, and 5. If you see here, there is a number. We see there is 35. We know that 35 is 8. Okay, let's start there. There is a number 5. But 5 also came here. What we have to do, if you look here, there is 6, 5, 6. So 7 and 8, you see these numbers. Okay, let's start here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me start. Here you see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see now we have to see number 2 first. We have to see number 2 before we use the code. You see now 2 came, and we expecting to see 1 again. 1 and 9 is here, and 10. So 1 is also 10. So you see these numbers are coming, and this number repeated, and 3 repeated, also 7, all these numbers. But let us go to the code. Let me say 1 plus 3 plus 5, it is 9. So our 9 is being supported to be there. Our 9 is being supported to be there. Here is 9. Okay guys, let's go back. Let's start by writing all the numbers we got, and we had these numbers before. As I told you that these numbers, and I hope you saw how do we got a 9. This number came from this code. This number came from this code. 3 plus 3 plus 5. We are adding this code now. 3 plus 3 plus 5, it gave us 11. Here it's 11. We know that 11 is 2. So, and we say, this is hard to calculate, guys. It's hard to calculate this. And if you look at these numbers, there is a common number we got here. And you have to look that number. This is a number. It's not a code. It's a number, because it has only one number. So we are focusing on these numbers as 2-digit. So if you look here, there is 3. We know that 3 is 3 or 30. So you see there is 30 there. There is 30, and we have to, when we add these numbers, we say 13 plus, plus 5, it is 18. We know 18 is 9. So our 9 is being supported by this code. As you see that code came from there. And if you look clearly, guys, we say here 33 plus 5, it's 38. When we add here this 5 and 33, it gave us 38. 38, you know that 38 is 11. 38 is 11. So you see now 2 is also there. But you see these code are saying same thing. Okay, I hope you see how do we find the two numbers. Let's go to the predictions now. Let's try the predictions. Before the predictions, let's start by trying here. Let's start by doing 5 plus 18 plus 26. It is 49. 49. Okay, but we're not here to, let's say, divided by 9. First, it is 5.4. So we know that 5.4 is 5. Is 5. Okay, let me write that 5 down, because it's the final answer. And we say 26 divided by, plus 38 plus 41, it is 105. 105. And that 105, that 105 divided by 9. Okay guys, I made a mistake. Let's cancel that 5. We're supposed to say 49. 49 divided by 10. It is 4 point, but it gave us 5 as well, because it's 4.9. So 4.9 is 5. exactly 5. So what we have to do again, we say 105 divided by 10. It gave us 10.5. We know that 10.5 is 11, but we can also, because it's 10 point or 10 point something, so we also have to put 11, there. And what you have to look, there is a number there, but we are not finished, guys, because we said we first divided, now we have to multiply times 10. No, 49 times 10, it's 490, and we say 105 times 10, it is 1050. So these are the numbers okay, let me write all the numbers here down. 5 9 and okay, let us don't write that 10 point something, 11, 10 point, is that 10 and okay, let's start by that number. The first number is 5. Hope we know that 5 is 23, 20 something, but guys, 32, it is 14, and you look, if we look here, we see 41, which is 5, 41, and we know that 11 is 2. But what I want us to do, let's start there. 4 plus 9, it is 13. We know that 13 is 4. When you look there, there is no 4 up there. Okay, let us come through this code. We had 10 here, and you see 10, sorry, and we had 15, and you also see 15 there. I hope you all see that. And we say this number gave us 2. This number gave us 2, so nothing I see about this number. Nothing I see about that number. And but the only thing, there is something I see here. You see this number is a family of 2, so you see 38 there. 38 is 11, so they played all these numbers here, so we have to do nothing with these numbers we see here. Okay, but 10 came there, only came as a we only see it came as a bonus. We have to play it because they gave us this number. And there you see there is 9 in that number. There is 9 here, you see 9, and there is 4, and we don't see 4. Okay, let's say, okay, I hope we're done with this. Let us go to the final number. Okay, let's go to finalize the draw now. We got these numbers, they dropped these numbers here. We say it gave us 41. It gave us 41. So by that 41, what we say 41 times 9, it is 390, 369, and we say 41 divided by 9, it is 4.5, so it's 5. It is 5. These are the code we have to use. And there is we have another numbers, 6 plus 17 plus 37, it's 70. Okay, let me write it down, 70. And you see, we multiply that 7 by 9, it's 660, 630, 630, and we say again 70 divided by 9, it is 7, so it's 8. These are the numbers. Let me write them down. Let me write these numbers down. 369, 630, 5, 8. Okay, I forgot 8. So what we have to do now, if you look at these numbers, if you look clearly, there is a number, and guys, you have to focus. You have to focus what they did. You have to focus on what they did. These are the numbers we have to look. You have to focus. Okay, sorry. You have to focus on what they did. If you look at these numbers, they only decrease by one number. They decreased by one number. Here you see they decreased by one number. Okay, what my suggestion here is that you see now, let us calculate based on that. There is this code. Let's say here in the code you see there is 36 and they played 37 while they played before 37, they played 38. So now we get 36. So let us write 36 down. Means that our strategy is working. You see 36. And after they played this number, there was, let's say there was a 39. So let us put 39 again from the code. We are taking these numbers from the code. 3 plus 6 plus 9, it's 18. It is 18. You see now this 18 is there, and they also played 9. So what we have to do, let us forget about 18. Let's go to another code. Okay, we say, okay, this is also a code, so let us go through the, okay, if you see here 63 is another number, so 36 is the banker. If you look there, we say, when we say 6 plus 9, it gave us, 6 plus 3, it gave us that 9, but that 9 came as a bonus, nothing we do with that. Here we have 5, and they played 5 here. What number we have to do? What number we have to do? Well, we have to look. 5 is 41. 5 is 41, but we see 5 here. They played 5 before this number. Okay, let's say, let us go, because they played 15, let's go to 14 now. Let's play 14. Let's play 14 because of that 15. So we are decreasing, guys, if you look at these numbers. And here is 8. And you see that they played 9. So we have to put that 8 because we saw that they are counting descending order. They counting on descending order. So let us do what? Let us do what? Okay, these are the numbers I want us to play. And the banker, you have to look, the banker is there. 36 is the banker. 36 is the banker, guys. Don't miss it out. 36 is the banker. So we say 36 plus 9. it's 45. We know that 45 is also 9, so let us put that 45, and we say 36 minus 9 is 27. We know that 27 is also 9. Let us put that number. We are supporting our numbers now. We're done with that code. Nothing we do with this because it's also not want to be changed. Okay guys, these are the numbers I want you to play, and just pair them and boom with these numbers. Just boom with these numbers. And 45, 27. So you have to look at these numbers. The banker is that number. This is the banker. This is the banker, guys. You have to look at that banker. And don't forget to play the, okay, means that the banker you are going to play with all these numbers is 14 etc, guys. 14 and 36 etc. This is a new strategy, guys. The banker is that number. The banker is that number, guys. Don't forget to bank with that number. Here is the banker. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.